Hello, and happy STAMPtember! Today we have a highly anticipated STAMPtember exclusive set, and it's an adorable Christmas set from Lawn Fawn. Snow bunnies is definitely a must-have for your holiday card making. I just adore that cute snow bunny. As with the other exclusive STAMPtember collaborations, this is a limited set, and once it's sold out, it's gone for good. Many of the exclusive collaboration sets are beginning to sell out, so don't wait too long to pick up your favorites. Today I created a one-layer card with masking, so let's get started. First, I stamped the images from snow bunnies onto an A2 panel of white cardstock with Copic friendly intense black ink. Off camera, I stamped and fussy cut masks of all my images using Gina K's masking magic sheets. I placed the masks over some of my images so I could stamp more images around them for a little dimension. Then I added a mask for my ground. Next, I blended tumbled glass, peacock feathers, salty ocean, and blueprint sketch distress oxide ink over the panel. I let it dry and then splattered it with water a few times before blotting off the excess. After that was totally dry, I splattered the panel several times with white acrylic paint and let it dry. Once the panel was dry, I carefully removed the masks and started my Copic coloring. I'll include the specific colors I used in my blog post. While you're watching, let's chat about my September YouTube giveaway. I apologize for those of you who might be hearing this again, but I don't want to miss anyone. If you've watched my videos this month, you know that I'm giving away a $100 gift card to the crafty shop of your choice to one lucky YouTube subscriber. And if I happen to reach my 10,000 subscriber goal by the end of September, I'll throw in a second gift card to another lucky winner. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Current subscribers are already eligible to win, and any shares on social media are also greatly appreciated. Thanks so much for your support all these years, and good luck. Anyway, back to coloring. I used basic 3-color blending families for most of the images, starting with my lightest color, moving to my darkest, and then blending back to the lightest again. Off camera, I stamped my sentiments onto black cardstock with Versamark and heat embossed them with white embossing powder before trimming them down to thin labels. Then I used my Wendy Vecchi station to adhere the sentiments. I love how easy it is to line things up straight using the station and magnets. I used regular adhesive for the small label and foam mounting tape for the larger sentiment. So I guess technically it's not totally one layer, but it's close enough. Next, I added a few accents with a white gel pen. Then I finished the card with my favorite finishing touch, a little Nouveau crystal glaze and a sprinkling of chunky and Prisma Lawn Fawn glitter. I sprinkle the chunky first and then fill in the open areas with the Prisma glitter. It really makes a card just pop with sparkle. And that's it! You can find links to my blog and all of the products I use in the YouTube description below. And if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up so YouTube knows you'd like to see more from me. Thanks so much for watching, have a wonderful day, and happy STAMPtember! Bye!